one of our plum trees which wasn't fruiting that well, so we decided to remove it. You can see how thick the trunk's gone. You know, this was a tiny little sapling we bought 2 years ago, possibly longer, 2 or 3 years. Just digging down and down to get to the roots, so we'll be able to oik it out because it's not shifting at the minute. It's solid. Finally managed to get the remains of the plum tree out. There are still some roots left around the perimeter of the hole we've dug, but they'll just die off over time. There's a potential for suckers to be sent up by the remaining roots there, so we will have to keep an eye out for that. We're going to pop one of our new Golden Delicious apple trees into this remaining hole. Hopefully that should be fine. We need to put in some decent soil in around it. Not quite sure exactly which soil we're going to use it, but I'll let you know in due course. Been back down to the plot today, and this is the remains of the plum tree, the first plum tree that I've now removed. That's the second one that's going to be going. This is what's in place of the first plum tree that's been removed. We've now put in a Golden Delicious apple tree. This is one of a pair that we've bought from Tesco, 2 for 12 quid. So let's see how that one does. Putting our first row of raspberries today. This variety is Glen Ample. It's a spineless variety, and this was about £11. And we've got these in a row along here, nicely staked out. These ones came from Heart of the Shires Garden Centre, which is down the A5.